a group. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's very important we're touching with our pencil our fruits to make sure that we have 5. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So does this one have 5? Yes. So that's group right here of limes Carl can use. So we're going to circle it. Okay. Now let's count the next group. And we're going to touch as we count to make sure, see if there's 5, because that's what Carl is looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 5? If it's not 5, what are we going to do? We're going to put a X on it, right? It's not 5, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So he cannot use this fruit because it's not 5. Okay, let's do the lemons. Let's count those, see if he can use those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there 5? Can Carl use those right here? These fruits right here? Yes, he can, because there is 5. Because that's what he wants. He wants 5. Okay. Now I want you here, number 8, this number 8, down at the very bottom in the blank space here. I want you to show me objects or drawings, whatever you want to draw, to show 5, okay? 5. Go ahead and draw your objects. It can be anything you want, but show me 5, okay? How would we show 5 objects? Okay, go ahead and draw them down there. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. How we would do that. Okay, so we need to draw 5 to show 5. So I'm going to draw counters, again, circles, okay? And as I draw them, I'm going to count them to make sure that that's how many I'm drawing, okay? And I need 5, so I need to count to 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So I drew 5 counters to show that this is the number 5. And how many is there? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I want you to write the number down here to show there is 5 objects or 5 counters. Okay? All right. Now I want everybody, let's see here, let's stop sharing this screen here and draw it. And then right here, we're going to find it, okay? So this is in Spanish, but there's one, you guys have one in English, okay? I want you to get that out real quick. And count to, let's say 20, okay? That way everybody can get out their sheet that has their number of the day. And we're just going to practice. Okay? If you can't find it, it's okay. Use your whiteboard. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to write the number, and then you guys are going to write the word, draw in here, and then you're going to tally it. And then down here in the number line, we're going to find that number. Okay, so here we go. So the number is going to be number 4. Number 4, okay? Remember, when we write the number 4, we start at the top, go halfway down, then we're going to go across, then we're going to go up top again, and then go all the way down. Number 4, okay? Now we're going to write the word for, okay? 4. What does it start with? What sound do you guys hear? 4. An F, right? 4. O-U-R. 4. Let's see. This way. Okay. Now we're going to tally it in this box, okay? So we're going to count as we draw little lines to tally the number 4. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 tallies there. Okay. Now we're going to draw. We're going to draw 4 things to show that's the number 4. Okay. Here we go. Let's do, how about we do smiley faces? 1. Remember, I'm counting as I'm drawing them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I did that? Touching my objects as I count. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to find number 4. This is the number line. It's from 1 all the way to 20. And we're going to count until we find the number 4, and then we're going to circle that number, okay? Here, let's start right there real quick. Hopefully everybody can see that. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's number 4. We're going to circle it. Okay, number 4. Oops, let me do that a little better. Number line number 4. There we go. Okay, that's number 4. Okay. Let's practice one more number. How about we do 3? So let's draw number 3, and we'll start at the top. And we're going to do curve, 2 curves. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, that's how you write number 3. Now we're going to write the word 3. T and an H makes a sound. R-E. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay, go and write your word. Next, we're going to do what? We're going to tally it, right? And we're count as we draw the lines to make sure we have that number right here, which is number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There. I have 3 tallies. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to draw objects, draw something to show the number 3. Okay, and I'm going to draw hearts. How about we draw hearts? You can draw whatever you want, but I'm going to draw hearts. And I'm going to count as I draw to make sure that I draw the correct amount. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, now on the bottom, we're going to find the number 3. So we're going to count and touch each number as we go on the number line, and then circle that number 3 on that number line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Right there. I'm going to circle it to show that's number 3. Okay. One last number, and then we'll take a break. So let's do number 5. Okay, we're going to start right here on the right-hand side. We're going to go to the left, make a line at the very top. Left, and then we're going to go halfway down. And then we're going to do a big curve. Okay. That's the number 5. Okay. Now we're going to draw the word. We're going to write the word. We're going to write the word 5. What do you guys hear? That first letter sound. What is it? 5. What makes a f sound? Okay. Go ahead and write it. And it's an F makes a f. 5. I-V-E. 5. Okay. Now we're going to tally it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to draw it as we count, as we're drawing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to find it on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's just so many different ways that we can show the number 5, the number 4, the number 3, the number 2. This is so many ways that we can show numbers, okay? And that's what I'm trying to show you. I want you to show me different ways how we can show 5, okay? All right, it is time for break. 10 minutes.